So, Dad, what are all these wires in the APU? Dad.
What?
What are all these wires in the APU?
They go to everything they need to go to. Air conditioning, heating, and the keyboard. Don't be knocking bolts off there. Pay attention to what you're doing.
What?
So if it isn't, it's not a 10. It's not a 3A. What'd you do with it? Now I gotta spend 50 years looking for the socket. Alright. Oh, what do we want? That belt's starting to look a little rough too. Alternator's got some movement to it. Guess I better be checking on that while I got it apart. These roads out here with our crooked government taking our tax dollars that we're supposed to be fixing roads with and sending them to Ukraine so that they can get money laundering, so all the people are actually, Ukraine don't actually get it, it actually goes into people's pockets. And so all that money that's supposed to be going to the roads or going into people's pockets don't belong because we have a crooked government. So that being said, the roads aren't taken care of, and when you're driving down the road, it just beats everything to pieces. They probably had better roads in third world countries than we do. Because our country got sold out. Well, missing a bolt off the alternator, that's why it's loose. And that's also why the belt looks chewed up, because the bolt keeps riding up against the belt. Now that bolt should have been laying in the pan. See if this is the correct nut. It was laying on the ground, so I would imagine it is. Yup, it is. Probably should get a lock washer put on there. Well, it's been rattling around in there so long, I got to replace that. Threads are messed up. So that was loose, and then let me under. We got to get these bolts loose. Then I got to take this bracket off, straighten it out, weld it up, make it stronger. And then at one, when I came in the driveway yesterday, and I came in wrong and ripped that bracket off, so I got to fix it. And then I got to weld that bracket, and maybe I can get my fenders back on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with me lately, but I've been tearing a lot of stuff up. Not paying attention. Alright, so this looks like, what is that, 11/16? Probably. I'll just have to.
What's that about?
My back. That's all I know. Probably from jumping off the trailer. Who knows how I hurt it? All I know is it's hurt. Which is, I took the whole day off yesterday trying to let it heal up. It's better than it was yesterday, but still in a lot of pain. Alright, we got 7/8. Let's see if 7/8. Oh my goodness. Probably go to chiropractor Monday. Probably should have went yesterday. Probably woulda, coulda, shoulda, never did fix the darn thing. So maybe I go on Monday. So we gotta back off these tensioners, get that new belt on there. Then I gotta find a new bolt for that alternator. And I probably should be able to run my generator so I can do some welding. Go give me a paper towel for the back of the truck. That one off. And we'll have a couple on there. Alright, we'll back that one off and then we'll go this way. Loosen, goosen. Am I loosening or am I tightening? No, I'm wait a minute, what am I doing? It's pushing it out. I need to go out of the way. Need to go the other way. Alright, let's get this one out of the way. Oh. Shouldn't take a lot. Shouldn't take a lot to get that belt on. Doesn't want to move anymore. Where's that belt at? How many have belt?
Belt. Here it
Right
is.
now in the package. I gotta order some more. I got one more in the garage.
1 minute left of filming space.
1 minute left of filming space. And then I go follow mama.
No, I get her phone and come back out here.
Then I go follow mama.
Stop. Just stop it. Stop it.
Mom.
Stop.
You gotta follow mama.
Stop it.
Sorry, I like following your mama. I like following mama. Let's see. What's keeping it from loosening up? I don't understand. Why aren't you getting loosed? I guess I'll just turn it from above. Yeah. Alright, what do I gotta do? I need a screwdriver.